Okay, so hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about for of loop. Okay, for of loop. Okay, so how for of loop works? Basically, for of loop iterate values of the array. Okay, what are the values? It will iterate based upon the values of the array. Right. So if you want to write for of loop, so let me delete this. Here we are giving index value, but in for loop we don't need to give index value. Let's see how we can access it. Okay, so let me delete it also. So for if you want to use for of loop, so you will write here for and then let, right? Then here I will write employee of employees. Okay, right? So this we are using of for of loop means this this will iterate based on the values. So here we can directly write like console.log and we can say like name. And if you want to print name, so simply you need to write only name. Okay, we don't need to mention index, right? Like this. And if you want to print designation, so simply write employee.designation. This is this employee. It is not, we are not talking about this employees. Okay, employees is what? Array. Array of what? Object. Okay. So this for of loop is taking each employee data, okay, using for of loop. That's why we are writing. And let's say console.log and we will write here id vectic id. Okay, so what is the id? We will mention. Okay, don't forget this closing. Here we have to close brackets also. After designation we will write console.log. Okay, and we will say status. Let me write status, and here it is not status, it is active, right? Is active. Okay, because what's the name of the property? Is active. So we will write here, right? And this is, I am again forgetting, this is not the single quote, this is backtick. Okay, whenever you will use backtick, so in order to print the properties value, you will use dollar symbol and curly braces, right? Okay, let me print age also there after name console.log and then I'll print age like this. Okay, and in last, after printing one employee data, I'll print here console.log and I will simply say this is that test to identify or distinguish between the employee, each employee. Okay, so let me run the loop. Let me refresh it. Okay, so it is printing each employee details. Okay, so this is the use of for of loop. Okay, basically simple definition is for of loop iterate upon the values of array, right? So this is the basic definition of basic definition of for of. Okay, in the next video we will learn about for in. Okay, for in loop. Okay, this was a for of loop. In the next video we will discuss about for in loop. All right, so thank you everyone for watching this video.